All right, what up, YouTube? Just going to break down a little something for you in the featured 5-star arena today. This is for people that want to try to extend their infinite streak as much as possible, getting as many points as possible. Um, Basically, what I'm here to tell you is once you hit 20, you don't have to go to 25. I have tested this more than once. It's worked. As long as the total PI of every character you have does not go below 11,000, you will not have an issue continuing on with your infinite streak as long as the arena lasts. So basically what I'm getting at is I'm going to take a rank 3 5-star and 2 rank 1 5-stars, and we're going to continue this streak. Sorry, I don't have super fancy recording equipment, so you're going to have to watch the fights. I'll try to make it quick if I can. But when we're done, I'm going to show you about the 4 stars and basically what I'm getting at in case there's any question of what it is. All right. Apparently we're going to do burgers, if you guys can see that notification. One thing I can give you as a good tip, I know Prof Hoff has said this plenty of times, if you're a beginner and you don't know much about the game, it is very good to turn off all your notifications while you're playing, because there's nothing worse than getting a text or a phone call or something while you're in the middle of a fight. So yeah, do that. I wonder if everybody's waiting for this 4th of July deal to come out. I know I'm probably not going to be buying nothing. It's usually a pretty good deal, though. I mean, compared to the other trash that we get from Kabam all the time. So, I don't know. Christmas is good, too. So, if you want to stack up those units, get it done. I'm sure there's going to be something fun for everybody. That calendar's crazy, though, huh? So, when you're doing arenas, in my opinion as well, once you hit infinite streak, and this is just me, of course, as my opinion, don't bother wasting your time with synergies. It's just going to take you longer to figure out who's got the synergy unless you've got it like recorded on paper or something, because nobody can remember all that stuff. Um, Basically, you just got to remember the numbers that I'm talking about, and you will continue the streak, and obviously don't get clipped too many times like I just did there, because you do run the risk of losing a fight. And even if you make 2 fights good and you lose 1, you still get your infinite streak, but wasting that 20,000 points is just never good. You know, it's going to make you angry. All right. All right, so now we're done with that one. I'll move into the 4 stars, and I'll show you what I'm talking about with the 4 stars, and then a mixture of them, just so you can kind of get an idea continuously. So what we could do if we run out of 5 stars is continue the streak. Some people don't like to do the 4 stars in this unless they're already rank 5 or rank 4, because you don't really get nearly as many points. But just as an example, same thing here. We can go down and get a couple of these lower guys in here, and as long as we're paying attention to the fact that 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 400 and 403 equals more than 11,000 or not, which it doesn't, we just add in a little bit more. So total, in fact, there you go. That will guarantee that you're not going to have an issue with the death squad. I was just counting a little off there, sorry. But what I do to extend this is continue to use all my 5 stars from top to bottom as I can. So what I mean by that is I've got Star-Lord to use, and then what I would do is I would go down and I would pick Kamala Khan and Nebula, because it doesn't matter at this point. We're going to equal over 11,000 PI. So the point index there, or power index, is just really all you're paying attention to. I'm going to stop talking your ear off I hope that this works. Just remember, as long as you get to streak 20, you've hit the infinite. This is for featured 5-star, which is the 4, 5, 6-star. Make sure that if you have any questions, put them in the comment section and I'll answer them. I don't usually do these videos a whole lot, so I'm just trying not to bark your ear off. But basically, if you run into the issue where all you've got is rank 2 5-stars, you don't want to put 3, 3, and 3 because that only equals 9. And I know I'm being repetitive here, but if you only have rank 2 5-stars, you could certainly use 2 of those and then just filter it to your 4-stars if you still have some high ranking 4-stars. And as long as the total PI, again, equals 11,000 or more, you will never see a death squad again. This is guaranteed. If you think that it's not, please post a video and show me what happened to you. Hopefully Kabam does not Kabam us since I'm posting this video. Anyway, thanks YouTube. Appreciate you watching and I hope you have a good one. Happy 4th.